diba? Kids ang bida sa kusina ngayon.
Yes,
Oh,
ayun
tayo.
pala, nakaka-intriga na. Ano ba itong flying saucer sandwich?
Yes, gagawin natin yan kasama sina Mikhaela and Rafa habang naka-relax ang parents namin. Wow!
Yeah,
Chillax na
grabe.
chillax, oh. Saya naman.
Yes,
Relax
sasamahan
na.
pa natin ang sandwich ng pineapple coconut juice. So guys, let's do this.
Let's do
Para
this.
sa magulang natin. Let's go!
Okay,
Okay,
so you guys
so-
can get your breads first. And then you guys can choose whatever. Surprise your parents na lang.
Yes, sir.
Whatever.
They chose na.
They chose na?
they
It's okay, you
chose
don't have to
na. Okay.
follow it.
Sandali, siguro relax kami. Parang naninervous po kami sa mga gagawin niyo.
Okay, so there's cheese.
There,
Okay, cheese.
this is
May
cheese.
cheese,
Mikhaela.
tapos...
Way too much.
May ano yan, peanut butter.
Peanut butter and cheese.
I think
Joke lang.
this is good. Yeah, I think this is good. So parang ito talaga parang create your own sandwich eh, no? Bahala ka kung ano
Yes.
gusto mong ilagay.
Rafael,
What are you doing? I'm gonna put this here. Why? If it's gonna be cut in half, it's gonna be cut in half. So...
making it half. The other half? Okay.
Mindset, mindset,
Okay,
mindset.
gets.
Gonna cut it in half.
Wow.
Which is in one.
Baka mauwi sa shawarma yan, Rafa.
So Mikhaela made ham and cheese.
This looks
Yes.
disgusting.
Si Rafa, why is this half? Oh yeah, right. It's half because of this,
We
right?
have,
Are you sure?
There's ham,
Iba.
chicken, cheese pimiento, pizza sauce, peanut butter,
Okay.
Ay, kakaiba yan ah.
strawberry jam, and cocoa.
Coco jam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siguro mga happy nanas,
Cheese.
mga happy things,
Ah, no, no.
whatever you have in the house. Diba? Kung ano
Okay.
lang meron nyo.
Sandwich one.
Yun lang ang
Alright, just wait.
pwede.
Kasi,
Diba?
Mix.
Choices.
Wait, it's
Dapat
this
tama
side,
yung
right?
pagka...
Okay. Hold on.
Pagka-triangle, baka mamaya kalahati.
Oo nga, ano?
Tinunaw na butter.
Sliced in the right way.
yes, that's
Okay.
But if not, best of
Pahit-pahit lang,
It's
pahit-pahit.
okay.
Para, ano ang purpose niya, para hindi magdikit.
So we have enough for everybody.
O ano, mag-English kayo, sige.
English eh. Paano may nag-uusap?
Ni-English niya ako, Tagalog ko siya.
It's inside already. We'll wait for 3 minutes.
Iba yun.
Mami na bahala dyan.
3 minutes. Masarap yan pag maraming cheese kasi magme-melt yung cheese niya.
Oh yeah, we put a lot of
Actually, yun lang yung diba yung sa ating grilled cheese?
Yes.
Ayun na yun eh. Ito lang parang gusto lang ni-level up lang.
Ayun.
Ayan na oh.
There we go.
Please don't mix.
Ito kasi we'll start making the juice. Lagay natin dito sa loob.
Mag-juice ka muna.
Here. The pineapple juice.
Ayan na
Amo,
pala
never ko pa natikman ng pineapple
Pineapple.
coconut juice. Have you guys
Oo.
ever tried pineapple
Fresh
coconut
pineapple
juice?
tsaka orange na
Never?
magkasama.
What's your favorite type of juice?
I don't drink juice.
But when you use smaller, mga apple juice or orange
Ayan.
juice. Pero now, lately, lagi lang siyang water. Mahilig sa
Oo.
soft drinks, mahilig sa ice
Okay na rin
teas.
yung water.
Basta bagay. Oo. Healthy
Teka,
lasa.
Mav, ano na yung ginawa mo?
Pineapple juice and then the coconut juice. Ito na.
Coconut juice.
Saka pineapple.
Naalala ko.
Yes. Wait lang, Mavi. So yung juice mo, yun na yun. Pineapple with coconut.
Pineapple with coconut, yes.
Sizzling, that's why
mix
you guys-
together.
Yes.
Tapos maglalagay ng ice. Pwede rin yan i-blender.
Alright, the sandwiches are done. So Raf made the half and half. half and half.
Half and
Kasi
half.
half ham and cheese and then half peanut butter and strawberry jam. Yeah.
Wow.
And then Mikhaela made ham and cheese. So,
Ham and cheese.
ayan, it's tikiman time.
Yay!
Guys, ito na.
It's your time
Alright.
to shine.
Ito
Ready
na.
na. Excited na ba kayo?
Excited na ako.
Yes, I'm
Ito na
excited.
yung moment of truth. And of course, together with
Sige.
the
Sorry,
sandwiches,
dadaan ako
the
dito.
flying saucer sandwiches, of course, there's pineapple coconut juice.
Ayan.
Refreshing drinks.
Ito ba?
Yes.
Sunod direct, oo.
Ay, oo. Nagmamel.
Okay.
Wow, the cheese.
Ano to?
This is the peanut butter.
Peanut butter and ham and cheese and
Shishi. Sarap.
tinikman ko din yun. Wait lang.
Ano ba yan dyan?
It's half peanut
can I
butter and
taste?
jam.
There we go.
Can I taste?
Choose your side na lang. Oh my gosh.
Okay, wala naman akong choice.
Ano daw yan?
Ito, yeah.
Peanut butter and peanut butter. Then the other half is ham and
Baby,
cheese.
in fairness,
So, wala ako siya natikman.
Thank you so much, guys.
Very good.
Ano na masasabi mo sa gawa ng anak mo?
The best, anak.
Wow! Try the juice.
Go!
You try din, anak.
O ano?
Careful.
Sarap?
Tastes like
Pineapple?
Pineapple.
Masarap. Thank you so much.
Masarap. Ayan, thank you so much.
Alright.
Ito na, up next, Fiesta Game pa more dahil may masayang forbidden game tayo mamaya with our parent-kid tandem.
Yes! Sa pagbabalik ng
Sarap, diba?